Hey, if you want to join Discord party on your PS5 Slim, for sure you can do this by using your mobile phone. You cannot do this in the PlayStation, so you just have to go into your mobile application on the Discord, and then basically join to the voice channel that are on the same channel that are your friends. And if you don't know how to actually do this, I have separate video on my YouTube channel where I'm showing you how to link Discord with your PlayStation. So we can actually do this by scanning the QR code from here. So we can scan the QR code when you go into the settings and go to the link device. And after that, when you go into the Discord, you can enter the channel and then join as a PlayStation device. And that's the only way to do this. You cannot do this on the PlayStation. If you have any question, just leave them in the comment. And right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.